All right, so this is the formula for first principles differentiation. Now I'm not going to go through the proof of how it works, but I will go through on how to use it, okay? It's essentially a formula to help you differentiate, pretty much. All right, let's look at question A, where it asks us to differentiate f of x, where f of x is equal to 6x minus x squared by first principles. So to do this, what I want to do, right, is I want to find f of x plus h first. Okay, that is this first part of the formula. And so to do this, you just replace every x with x plus h. So we have x plus h here minus x plus h squared here. And so what this will give me is 6x plus 6h minus x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And this gives you 6x plus 6h minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. All right. And since we have this f of x plus h, I can sub it back into this original formula right here to find the derivative. So we have f dash x is equal to lim as h approaches 0. And then I'm just going to sub in f of x plus h. And then I'm going to minus the original function, which is this thing right here. So that will give you, and then you divide everything with h. Now, if you're working out as correct, the top should look a bit more simpler if you can collect like terms. So, for example, this x squared are like terms and they cancel out. 6x cancels out with this one, and then we're left with these three. So if I just continue on, now with this I can also cancel out the h's, if you notice that. So I can cancel out this h, this square goes away, this h goes, and this h goes. And so if I continue on from here, now, if h approaches 0, right, that's almost saying that this h right here is just 0. And so this is going to be equal to 6 minus 2x. And so we have differentiated this original function right here, which gives you 6 minus 2x. All right, now for B, we're asked to find the point on y is equal to 6 minus x squared, where the tangent is horizontal. Then sketch the curve, describe the curve and the point. All right, so where the tangent is horizontal, right, that means that the gradient is 0. And if you don't know already, the derivative tells you the gradient of a function. So maybe if I just write out the working out, it would make a lot more sense. What it's asking for is, you're trying to find out where f dash x is equal to 0, okay, because f dash x is gradient. F dash x equals gradient. And so if I just sub in f dash x from earlier, we have 6 minus 2x equals 0. And if you solve it, you should get x is equal to 3. But remember, it asks us for the point. Okay, so we need to figure out what y is. And so y is equal to 6, 3 minus 3 squared. I'm just subbing this 3 into this function right here to get the y. And this should get you 18 minus 9. Which is equal to 9. So therefore 3, 9. Okay, so that is the point where the tangent is horizontal. Now I'm not going to sketch the curve, okay, I'm just going to leave that as an exercise for you. But yeah, that's it for first principles differentiation.